Hello, this is wmpyr back with another Escrima Balisong butterfly knife tutorial. Okay, so the goal here is to use this in a more realistic fashion, okay? And yeah, there's a lot of flipping fancy movements to open and close this knife. And people ask, like, why do you do that? And I bet a lot of people's answer is, well, it's for distraction purposes, okay? But we got to be honest here. The only people that are going to fall for that and be actually distracted from that are probably people that are very, very inexperienced or they're not good fighters, okay? So let's put the flipping and that kind of stuff, the distraction idea, aside for a moment, and let's go with under pressure. How can I get this thing out? Okay, so under pressure, maybe you only have like one arm is doing something else, okay? So in that case, I'm gonna take it out and we're gonna go to one hand, solid grip like so, okay? With a solid grip, I want you guys to work on going side to side, okay? 1, 2. Notice I'm going full motion here. 1, 2, and diagonal, diagonal, okay? So what you're doing here is the angles of attack. So like I said, this arm could be, I could be grabbing and wrestling around with somebody, and at the same time, I get this out, I'm going diagonal, diagonal, side to side, okay? And I know I could get this out, no problem. So when you do that, what I want you guys to do is when you go side to side, diagonal, diagonal, what I'm doing here is I'm actually using the spine side. So here's my latch. You guys can see the latch right there. So that means this is the blade side. So this over here is the spine side. So I'm using the spine right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then at any moment, once you could go to here, okay? So just take this out and focus on the spine and go full swings. I want boom, boom. I want this kind of full motion. And then, like I said, at any moment, you could go to normal balisong. So that's it for now. Thank you for viewing and take care, folks.